Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to sync Trello with Google Calendar. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first, you need to log in to your Trello, and then here what you're going to do is you have to enable the calendar power up. You will see this power up icon right here, and all you have to do is to click this one. Now you have to tap this and then you have to search for calendar here. So go to the search bar, type calendar, and you have to look for calendar power up. So once you found it, just click. And then after that, what you're going to do is you have to simply add this one. So tap on, click add. So once enabled, what you're going to do is you have to basically tap the power up icon again. Then you will see this calendar power up. And all you have to do is to click the gear icon in order for you to enable this. So tap this one right here, click this to enable the calendar power up. Tap on edit power up settings. And then you're going to click this one, copy this. This is the iCalendar feed. You have to copy this one. Now go to your Google Calendar so you can search for Google Calendar and then log into your Google Calendar. And then on the left sidebar, tap the plus icon and then tap on from URL and then paste the iCalendar feed here from your Trello. After that, you can tap on add calendar. You can also edit this before adding. And then once done, you can now go back to your calendar home page or main page and you will see this Trello calendar there. If you have added anything on your Trello board, you will see it here on your Google Calendar. So basically, that's how easy it is to simply sync Trello with Google Calendar. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.